Hello guys! Today we're gonna cook the yummiest and crispiest lechon kawali. Here's what we need. 1 kilo pork, liempo or kasi. Six cloves, garlic crushed. 2 bay leaves. 2 teaspoons ground peppercorn. 2 tablespoons salt. Add 3 cups of water, all ingredients, and boil for an hour. Or pressure cook for 20 to 30 minutes. Drain the pork. Let it cool and put it inside a refrigerator overnight or sun-dried. Poke the skin with a fork. Deep fry the pork in a pan until the desired crisp. Serve while crispy. Do you know lechon kawali most probably originated from the regions of the Tagalog? It could be that this dish originated where the method of boiling and deep frying of pork belly is popular, particularly in Bulacan, where you can find one of the best chicharon baboy in the Philippines. Enjoy!